Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create the stunning GOJO color correction CC effect using Node Video. This vibrant and dynamic effect will make your animations pop. So make sure you have Node Video open and let's jump right into it. Want this?
はい。勝負はこれからだ。
そうか、そうだな。そうかもな。術式発動。大丈夫だ。僕は最近。
Thanks for watching our GOJO color correction tutorial in Node Video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!